We'll see about how to compare two given string, program to compare two given string. So let's take here, you're having string 1, okay, so string 1 as SCE, okay, and second string as ABC. So at the end you have an /0. Now these both strings are equal or not, you have to check. If it is not equal, then which is greater? The first string is greater or second string is greater. So actually you can do that by a library function called as an string compare. So there's a library function which takes here two character array. So you can give here character array 1 and character array 2. So two character array can be given. So in turn, this string compare function returns an integer value. After comparing both the strings, it returns an integer value. So how do it compares actually? So it will compare character by character. First it will compare the first character in 0th index number, whether it is equal. If it is not equal, it will stop comparing and then find out which, it will subtract this S ASCII value with the A's ASCII value, which it will find greater, okay, that will be treated as an bigger string than compared to the second string. Now in this case, S ASCII value is greater than A's ASCII value. So hence it will treat as string 1 is greater than string 2. Okay. Same thing, if you have your str1 value as an ABC, then you have /0, whereas str2 value, let's take it as having your BCDEF. Okay. So at the end you have an /0. So now it will compare this first two. Okay, the first character. So A's ASCII value is 65 and B's ASCII value is 66. So 65 minus 66, that's a -1. So that means nothing but here str2 value is greater than str1. So if the first character is same, let's take here, you are having your A, B, C and D, then /0. Here you are having A, B, you have, I'll take here B, A, B, B, C, D, E, and then you have /0. So it will compare this first location value. So both are equal. Then it will consider the second one. Here the second one also it is equal. Then it will consider the third character. In this third character C, here you are having B. So now which is having higher ASCII value? C's value is nothing but higher, is having a greater ASCII value than B. So hence this str1 will be treated as an greater than str2. So it will not consider your number of characters. It will consider one by one character. Whichever character is not equal, then that it will subtract. That is str1 minus str1 ASCII value minus str2 ASCII value. So both will be subtracted. If it is having positive, then it will treat your str1 as an greater than str2. So if it is less than, it will treat your str2 is greater than str1. If it is equal, then again it will keep on comparing the next character. So this string compare function returns an integer value. So that is, if the string 1, if it is equals to an string 2, then the string compare returns a value 0. If both the string 1 and string 2 both are equal, then string compare returns 0. Same way, if the string 1 value is greater than string 2 value, in that case it returns some positive value. So why it is returning positive value is, it is going to subtract these two characters. It is going to subtract two characters. Like for example, C's ASCII value. So if C's ASCII value is 67 and your B's ASCII value is 66, so subtract that, you will get here 1. So if you get 1, that means this first string is greater than the second string. That means it is returning a positive value. If you had here B and here C, you will get a negative value. So negative value. So that means if it is negative, then string 1 is going to be a less than string 2. So in that case, it is going to return a negative value. So this is how the library function works. So we'll write a complete code which will show you how exactly the string compare is going to compare. So we'll also generate this positive, negative and 0 value. To compare these two strings, I'll write a complete code.